A lot of organizations are just set up in a way that prevents agility. I like to say that you get out of the way of innovation, you don't add innovation to a company. And we see that the companies that have figured out how to be agile form an organization that is much more effectively cellular. There's a team that owns the product roadmap, the profit and loss, the business that they're running in. And it may be a very small team, but they own the development, the product management, and the operations of that team. And that works all the way up. And it's different to the normal organization where there's somebody else out there called the business that you're trying to work for. And there's some people over here going to operate it, and then you're just trying to develop it or whatever. Whichever those three teams you're in, they're very separate. So the more integrated you make those, the more agile the company is. And examples there, Amazon is completely integrated, Netflix is completely integrated. Companies like Capital One have been figuring out how to become integrated along those kinds of lines. But that's one of the real characteristics of the most agile and innovative organizations now. Well, the legacy structures, you can tell they're legacy structures because you keep filing tickets and having meetings to get anything done. Right? The modern structure, you make an API call to make something happen, or you just do it, you're empowered to do it yourself. And you can tell that you've got this sort of silo or stovepipe, whatever you want to call it. There's these organizations where every different speciality is its own team, and to get them to do anything, you have to like find their ticketing system and like poke a thing and say, I want you to do this thing, and everything runs at the speed of a queued ticketing system. And that's kind of the structure, the old structure. You can say it's a little more efficient in some ways, but it's wasteful in many other ways, and it's very slow. And nowadays, anything that's slow is inherently getting in the way of the business's ability to be competitive.